Hello children, very good morning. Welcome to maths class. How are you all? All of it are fine? Okay. So children, in the yesterday's class, what we wrote in our square book? We wrote between numbers. Yes. So between means naduve, madde, middle. Is it? Yes. So about between numbers, which number will come between, and we wrote it and we seen it. Is it? Yes. So today's class also will revise it between numbers. Okay. So everyone take out your square book, maths notebook, and take out your pencil and eraser. Take new page and write here CW and write here between. B T W E E N between. numbers numbers between numbers. So in the today's class also we'll see it, we'll study about between numbers. Okay. So 2 3 times we learnt it means you know to write the between numbers. You will be perfect in between numbers. Okay. So in the previous class we studied about before numbers, then after numbers, then between numbers we are studying. So these all three, before, after and between, this all you have to perfect, you have to learn it. Okay. So now write your numbers. 3-5, 8-10, 14-16, 19-21, 3, 1-3. Next 16-18, 0-2, 11-13, next 18-20, 21-23, 27-29, 25-27, next 31-33, 37-39, next 40-42, 44-46, 50-52, 56-58. Okay. So now here what we have to write in dash here middle between. So number we have to write. Between numbers we have to write it. Is it? Yes. So between means madhye, middle, naduve. Okay. So now what is the first number? You have to see it. Okay. First number you have to read. The next number which number comes, you have to write it. So everyone knows to 1 to 100 numbers. Is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1 to 100 you knows the number. Is it? Yes. So here also you have to read the first number. You have to see it. You have to read it. Then second number you have to write it. Okay. See. For example, I will show 3. Which number it is? 3 number. So next number will come. After 3, 4. After 4, 5. Is it? The 4 number is between number. Okay. So next also same. 0 dash 2. So 0 also no value. This 0. Okay. So after 0, which number will come? 1. 1, 2. Okay. Next 31. 31 after number 32, then 32 after number 33. So 32 is a between number. Okay, next same. 8, 9, 10. Next 11, 12, 13, 37, 38, 39. So these are the continuous numbers, no? Yes. So you have to read the first number, then you have to write the second number. Okay. So which number will come second? Next number you have to write it. 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 40, 41, 42, 19, 20, 21, 21, 22, 23, 44, 45, 46, 1, 2, 3, 27, 28, 29, 50, 51, 52, 16, 17, 18, 25, 26, 27, 56, 57, 58. Okay? Yes. So like this you have to read it. Then you have to write the between numbers. Okay? Yes. So these all we don't know now. So these all are between numbers. Okay? Yes. So you have to write the classwork this. Okay? So next page I will give homework. So everyone has to do it. Homework between numbers. Okay? Yes. So write here. B-E-T. Bit. V. W-E-E-N. Between. N-U-M-B-E-R-S. Numbers. Between numbers. So here write 0 dash 2. Already I thought you know. Yes. Next 3 dash 5. 9 dash 11. 13 dash 15. Says the number and write, children. 18 dash 20. 22 dash 24. 29 dash 31, 35 dash 37, 32 dash 34, 41 dash 43, 47 dash 49, 53 dash 55, 56 dash 58, 64 dash 66, 68 dash 70, 73 dash 75, 77 dash 79, 81 dash 83. So here children, middle. So between you have to write the between numbers. So first starting number you have to read it, then between numbers you have to write it. Okay. So in the classwork also I done for you already. Is it? How to read it and how to write it. Is it? Yes. So help of that you have to write the homework also. Okay. So everyone do the homework and send to my WhatsApp number. Thank you. Have a good day.